This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic. This is the first video in a series of videos solving equations with parentheses. So we're going to do this problem right here. All right, anytime you're solving an equation, you want to begin by simplifying each side of the equation. And so we have to do the distributive property on the left side of the equation as well as on the right side of the equation, because there's a parentheses on both sides with a number in front. So we've got 6 times x, 6x, minus 6 times 2 is 12. And on this other side we have 3 times x plus 3 times 2. And now we have an equation without parentheses. So we also have each side simplified. We can't combine like terms. So at this point, we want to put the variables on one side and constants on the other. So let's go ahead and put the variables on the left by subtracting 3x from both sides, which means I'll have 6x minus 3x, or 3x on the left-hand side of the equation. And on the right-hand side, how about we get our constant, so we'll add 12 to both sides. So we'll do this at the same step here. You could take 2 steps to do that. First subtract 3x from both sides, and then after that you could add 12. Alright, but I'm doing it all at once. 6 plus 12 is 18. And so I have 3x equals 18, and we want to divide by 3 to find out what x equals. And so we get x equals 6. All right, we want to make sure that's the correct answer. So our next step is to check it. All right, so we're going to check to see if x equals 6 is the correct solution. So we will plug in 6 for x. And then we're only going to simplify one side at a time. So we're going to take the left-hand side and use the order of operations, which means we simplify inside parentheses first. So that will be 6 times 4, which is 24. All right, now let's do the right-hand side. We'll put in 6 for x over here. So again, we need to do order of operations. You don't do the distributive property when you're simplifying. You do the order of operations. You can go ahead and do whatever's inside the parentheses first. So that's 3 times 8, which will give me 24 as well. The reason we use the distributive property is when we're in algebra, like this 3 times x plus 2, you can't simplify x plus 2 any further. So that's why you need the distributive property to get rid of the parentheses. All right, so in any case, we got that we had the same number on both sides, which means our solution up here is correct. So we could write our answer using set notation. You could put the solution in braces like this. That's the formal way. And so that is the correct answer to this equation. This is your math gal, Julie Harland. Please visit my website at yourmathgal.com, where all of my videos are organized by topic.